Good morning, boys and girls. I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely weekend and that you stayed home and you are well rested. This week on Guided Reading we are going to be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these reading strategies to help you, but the ones that I want us to focus on are our eagle eye and our stretchy snakes. Our eagle eye is when we look at pictures in the book to help us with words, and our stretchy snake is when we stretch out the letters in a word and we sound them out slowly. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. You have a go for me? Lovely, well done. Let's try it all together one more time. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Fantastic, well done. The book we're going to be looking at this week is called Our Class Tiger. So boys and girls, this is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Our Class Tiger. Hi, my name is Rose Carter and I'm in Class 3M. This year we are doing a special class project. We are adopting an endangered animal. The animal is a tiger. Today there are fewer than 3,200 tigers living in the wild. Scientists believe that in 30 years there might be no tigers left. Sumatran tigers. The tigers we're adopting live on the island called Sumatra. That's in a country called Indonesia. Even though we don't live there, we can still help Sumatran tigers. Tigers are endangered because they are hunted for their skins, meat and body parts. This is illegal. At weekends and after school we do lots of jobs to earn money. Then each month we send money to WWF, the Worldwide Fund for Nature. The money is used to look after our tiger. Our tiger cub. Our class has adopted a tiger cub called Berharga, which means precious in Indonesian. He lives in a sanctuary and a man named Dharma looks after him. A tiger mother usually gives birth to 3 cubs at a time, but sometimes she can have as many as 7 cubs at a time. In the wild, tigers live for about 10 years. Adopting a tiger. When we first adopted Berharga, we were sent a toy tiger in a gift box. Our teacher, Mr. Morrison, keeps the toy on a special spot on his desk. Every weekend, someone in our class takes toy Berharga home. Tigers have stripes on their skin as well as striped fur. We also got an adoption certificate, a tiger fact sheet and a photo of Berharga. Tiger facts. Tigers are the biggest species in the cat family and they are very rare. Tigers have lived in the Sumatra for over 1 million years. The Indonesian word for tiger is harimau. A female tiger is called a tigress. A tiger can jump a distance of 10 meters. Baby Berharga. Berharga was 5 months old when he was rescued. He still needed to drink milk. Berharga's mother had been shot by hunters. Tigers live in a forest. Sometimes forests are cut down to make way for palm oil farms. Palm oil is used in a lot of soap and food. Say no to products that use palm oil. Cubs at play. When Bahaga was 7 months old, he loved playing with other tiger cubs. They might look like they're just having fun, but they're learning and growing stronger too. Playing helps tiger cubs learn how to chase, jump, and climb. Tiger cubs are born with their eyes sealed shut, so they can't see. Their eyes open when they are between 6 and 12 days old. Tiger food. By the time Bahaga was 10 months old, he had grown so much he didn't drink milk anymore. Instead, he was fed a special diet of meat and was taught to hunt. Tigers eat gibbon, water buffalo, and deer. Tigers are carnivores. Tigers usually have 30 teeth. Bahaga goes swimming. Bahaga had his first birthday. He went swimming at the sanctuary. Tigers are good swimmers. It gets very hot in Sumatra, so tigers go swimming to keep cool. Tigers have webbed toes to help them swim fast. Bahaga is eating a piece of meat while he swims. Tigers swim up to 6 kilometers at a time. Bahaga grows up. When Bahaga was 1 year and 7 months old, Dharma wrote to say that soon Bahaga would be too big to stay at the sanctuary. He needed to move to a national park where he could have his own space but still be safe. Our class wrote goodbye letters to Bahaga and made thank you cards for Dharma. Tigers become independent when they are about 2 years old. Tigers are nocturnal. They can see 6 times better than humans at night. Saying goodbye. When we got our final photo of Bahaga, everyone was excited for him, but sad to say goodbye. This is the end of our project, but we must not stop helping the tigers. Anything people can do, no matter how small, can make a difference. Will you help them too? To adopt your own tiger or another endangered animal, visit www.wwf.org. Now that I've finished reading, go all the way back to the beginning and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can rewind the video and listen to me read it, or down here we have the play button and Oxford Owl will read it to you. Once you have finished with your reading, you should be on to your Kahoot quiz. You can access Kahoot through Google by typing kahoot.it into the search bar, or you can download it from the App Store. Your first quiz pin is 014543889. Once your Kahoot is loaded, here is what it will look like. To join the game, you enter your name and click OK Go. Once you have completed the quiz, don't forget to send me or your class teacher a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!